I am so very excited to review the Anona Holo Smart Lock. This one can go on any type of a door, and what this smart locks gives you is the keyless entry first of all. So you'll have 5 easy ways to lock and unlock your door, as well as this smart lock works with a smart application, so you can fully and totally customize and control your door situation from anywhere all around the world. So let's say you're traveling, you can absolutely unlock or lock your door, and just in general, your home and your friend came visiting you, you're too lazy to wake up, open the door for your friend, will just easy peasy unlock it from your smart application. The smart application can be so very beneficial in like thousands of different situations. It supports voice control, and the installation and the assembling is extra easy peasy as well. So there is no need to replace your very much existing deadbolt. So the deadbolt you are currently have on your door, this is the one that gonna stays right there as it is. You are basically just installing the Anona Holo Smart Lock on top of your existing deadbolt, and that will allow you for a quick 5-minute installation. So the installation is extra easy. I also got the keypad together with this Holo Smart Lock, and the keypad should be installed outdoor, like from the outside of your door, so you'll be able to unlock your smart lock through the keypad, which this keypad is sold separately, and this is how it works. So the smart lock stays indoors while the keypad installed outdoors. Both of these devices has a long battery life, which is up to 6 months, and the price range is extra affordable. It starts from a price of $77.99, the full price, and of course that there are discount codes, coupon codes, sales promotions, which by the way guys, everything can be found down below in the description box to this video of mine. The direct links to both of these devices, as well as all the possible coupon codes, promotions, and so on. Any type of information of how to save some money of yours is going to be listed down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as the links and the ways of how and where from to buy this smart lock. Well guys, let's get started with the detailed review. So guys, let's get started. This is Anona Holo Wi-Fi Smart Lock product review, and I'm going to show you the installation, the unboxing, and my personal thoughts about this device. So let's get started. First of all, about the brand, about Anona Holo. They are offering locks which are a cutting-edge solution to secure everyone's house out there while keeping it smart at the very same time. So Anona Holo's technology empowers to monitor and to manage all type of activities around your home from anywhere, give you the ability of remotely control and the ability of a full and total control of your house security. Anona Lock supports the Matter protocol to ensure seamless integration with any other type of smart devices that you can have around your house. They're also coming with an impressive battery life. The Anona Lock eliminates the need of frequently battery replacement. Additionally, the lock features a sleek and aesthetic design that is seamlessly blends into anyone's home style. Anona Lock support voice control, so you're welcome to hook it up with any type of a voice control you have in your house. For an example, if you're using Amazon Alexa, then you can easily control your door using voice commands, which will offer you a completely hands-free experience, which seamlessly fits into anyone's daily routine. I absolutely love the aesthetic design of this lock. So it comes in 2 different colors. I've got mine in black, but it's also offering a bright white with gold type of a color. Absolutely beautiful and gorgeous design. It's gonna seamlessly blend into anyone's style, and I love the compact size as well. It's actually a very small one, so it's not gonna stand out at your door. Let's talk about the installation. Well, Holo Lock offers the convenient device sharing and easy installation for effortless door opening and locking. First of all, you can easily share your device with friends or family by scanning the code or the URL link provided by Anona. So you can simply just send a link to your friends or to your guest, and they can enter your house by code or directly the link from you. So the installation is a breeze. To install it, you just simply need to place it on the interior side of your door over your current deadbolt. You don't even need to exchange deadbolt. You're gonna keep on using the very same deadbolt that you had before. You're just simply installing the Anona Holo on top of it. So you're gonna keep your existing deadbolt, and the keys are gonna be the same. And that's the coolest thing. So there is no any need to exchange, to replace the keys. You are gonna keep exactly the very same keys as you had before. In addition, Anona Lock
locks are compatible with the most single-cylinder deadbolts out there. Now let's talk about the home security. So Holo is all about the home safety of us, the users. They are offering an advanced security features like auto lock and an anti-peeping smart keypad. First of all, let's talk about the auto lock. It has a built-in interior sensor which can detect whenever your door is closed, and it will auto lock your door immediately by providing you peace of mind knowing that you have always secured your home. So if you keep on forgetting if you locked your door, you didn't lock your door, you can absolutely be calmed down with Anona Holo Smart Lock. Then it has the ability of abnormal detection for different type of situation. So let's say if your door remained open for a long period of time, or let's say a wrong password was entered too many times into your lock, or when the lock is detected to be stuck, any type of abnormal detection of a situation that this lock can do, an alarm will be issued via buzzer alarm, as well as you will get a notification directly to your smart device through the smart application. Yes, this device, by the way, works on a smart application, and I'll tell you all about it real soon. You have the option to add Anona Keypad, which is sold separately, and you can combine it with the Holo Lock. So this Anona Keypad is actually provides you with the secure access. So this smart keypad supports up to 50 anti-peeping virtual password technology. It also has a remarkable battery life. By the way, each piece of these comes with a batteries inside included in the package. So the battery life is up to 4 to 6 months on the standard Wi-Fi mode, or up to 8 months with a low power mode. The smart application allows you to have a fully customized and personalized management of your lock. So Holo provides various management options to meet all type of anyone's needs out there to enhance the home security and monitoring. Then you have the ability to manage your visitors. So whenever you're working with the Anona Keypad, you can easily set up a temporary or a one-time passwords for guest access. So let's say you're managing an Airbnb. This is a must-have because you can create a one-time password. So let's say the cleaning lady can enter, and this password is going to work only once. And every time you can set up a new password for whoever needs just to one-time access to your property. Or you can create a different passwords, let's say for the cleaning lady, for the current guest, and then delete it, and so very on. You can set a travel mode on your lock through the smart application as well. So feel free to go travel as much as you want and leave your house alone. Thanks to the Holo's travel mode, you will get an easier access and understanding of the situation of your house. It's gonna conserve energy by reducing power consumption, ensuring your home stays secure and accessible once you'll be back home. It is also have the always open mode that you can choose and work with. This mode is gonna be perfect for those busy days or social gathering. The always open mode keeps your door unlocked always, even when it's closed. So it's basically canceling the auto mode function. So it's gonna be easy on all of type of anyone who needs to do any type of like coming and goings when you need to navigate in or out of your house without the door being locked constantly. Okay guys, so let me show you and tell you everything about this smart application. So first of all, to lock or unlock your door, it's like sliding. Same idea as your iPhone or as a smartphone. I absolutely love this application type of a design. Just basically sliding it. How cool is that? Just like that, slide. So that's the smart application interface. Super cool, can lock, can unlock. And now if I'm going to slide it up, well, here you have more options to control. Now the keypad management. So our keypad installed outside of the doors it's supposed to be. And here you can always reset and redo your password, as well as you can add up to 50 different guest passwords. Expire type. So you can make it a one-time password, and you can absolutely define like what day and what time it is going to be valid to. Or you can choose to make it a temporary password, a periodic password, or a permanent password as well. And then you can choose what days of the week, if it's, let's say, a cleaning lady or someone who's taking care of your house, or a pet sitter, you can absolutely choose what dates at what time the locked password will work for them in, let's say, a very specific time. Well, that was the keypad. Now you can choose the lock to operate on a low battery mode or on a normal battery mode. So once the low battery mode is on, it's gonna save the power and it's gonna significantly like improve the battery life. Now guys, to demonstrate the next function, I must first of all talk to you about the lock settings. So it has the auto lock option, as I've already told you guys all about it. So once the auto lock is on, every time you will open a door and then close the door, it will automatically lock the door for you. Completely automatically. Now, you can choose the delay time. So you can choose it to be closed immediately, the very same second as you close the door, as well as you can choose it to be delayed. So let's say 5 seconds delay. Let me demonstrate that for you. Here we open the door, here we close the door, and it's gonna wait 5 seconds. And then as a 5 seconds delay, it's gonna lock the door automatically after 5 seconds. Ta-da! Yep, all works. So this is an amazing feature, honestly. And now you have a quick access to the option of no auto lock. So once it's off, it's gonna automatically lock the door regardless. Now you can make it always on, which means it's never gonna auto lock your door, and you can choose the no auto lock for 10 minutes, for 30 minutes, for 1 hour, or any other custom time. So why is this option exist? Let's say the next 3 hours you know that you're gonna moving outside of your apartment or moving in, or the next 10 minutes you need it to be off auto lock because you want to bring in groceries, and this is exactly what this option is for. Now let me show you more settings. You have the travel mode, and of course that you can turn off the sound or you can control the volume. And then you have all the statistics of how many times your door was unlocked or locked, how many times your door was opened or closed, and so very on. You have all the statistics, you have all the graphs. It will show you when and how it was locked manually or through the smart application, and you can see it all back in time. Let's say here is for yesterday. It was used many times yesterday, and you will have the statistics for every single moment your door was maneuvered by any possible way. So if someone opened your door, you'll have it all recorded at your graphs. Well guys, just in general, it is definitely an amazing type of a device that I highly recommend you guys check it out.
Well guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Be so very sure to check Anona Holo Smart Lock out. I will leave you all of the links down below to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any type of way to save some money of yours. Well guys, please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Are you using a smart lock right now? Have you ever used any like keyboard, keypad, smart locks in your life? Let me know your opinion and your experience. Let's talk about it. Let's share the details. Let's share our experience. We can recommend some specific items. We can as well recommend not to buy some specific items. So just share your opinion, your experience down below at the comments to this video of mine. My personal experience with this lock was awesome. The installation was easy, fast, and very like intuitive, like very user-friendly type of installation, as well as the lock works amazing. It's absolutely great to be able to unlock or lock your door any single time through the smart application that it comes with, as well as it's absolutely amazing to have the full control of, hey, I'm not home, and I can give a one-time password to a friend of mine or to a delivery guy or to whoever else is there, so they could enter my house while I'm out of the town or while I'm on my way home and they just arrived earlier. You know, it's extra like helpful and extra friendly to have that type of a lock in your house. Well guys, that was actually all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.